Hello and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am going to share a very wonderful recipe. It is roasted bell pepper soup. It is going to be creamy without using any cream. It is vegan, vegetarian and gluten free. It is full of health benefits. It has vitamin A, C and it is antioxidant. So let's see what we need for it. So for making our bell pepper soup, we need some pepper, and what I am going to do, I am just oiling them little bit, and I am going to show you in two ways how to roast them. One is on our normal hob and one is in grill. So they are oiled. I'm roasting on my hob and some of them are going for grilling. On high temperature on grilling. I'm just turning it from all the sides to roast evenly. Now I'm putting all my roasted pepper in a big bowl and I will cover it tight. Then they will steam inside and it will help to peel them off. After 10 minutes I will open my lid and all of the pepper which is steamed, you can see there it is peeling already, and then I will add water, cold water, tap water. Then it will help them to peel. It is coming so easily now. You can see it is coming so easily now. So I will peel all of them like that. When oil is warm enough, I am going to add some bay leaves and let them infuse in the oil their flavor. And then I will add chopped garlic. And then I will cook it until it gets frothy. And leaves its flavor. Now I am going to add chopped onion. And cook them until they are softened and release their flavor. Now I will add paprika and some cumin powder and cook them just for 10 seconds. And then add some ginger. Just cook again for just 5-10 seconds. And then I will add tomato paste. It will give very nice little tangy because bell pepper are very sweet. And then I will cook it again just 10 seconds. and then I will add my vegetable broth. And I will save some and I will see if it is enough and cook it for few minutes, and then I will add my bell pepper and let them cook. Now I will see what is happening. Look at this, it is boiled very nicely and cooked very nicely, and all the ingredients are coming together. So on this point I will turn my flame off and let it cool down. I will remove bay leaf before it goes in blender to blend. It is completely cooled down, so it is ready to go in our blender to blend. Now I am just blending it in my mixer jar. Now see how nice and smooth it is here. Now on this point we can adjust its salt if you want, and we can adjust how thickness or consistency you like. So if you are happy, so just cook few minutes and then it will be ready to serve. In the end, when it is cooked few minutes, I will add some chopped fresh coriander. It will give lovely and beautiful aroma, and look at this. Now my soup is ready to serve. And I will finish it with little cream. We can use coconut cream or normal cream. If we are vegan, so we can use coconut cream, or we can avoid this step. And very last, just few pieces of finely chopped coriander. Our healthy roasted bell pepper soup is ready. So please share what you think about this recipe in my comment box, and if you really like this, please share, like and subscribe my channel for further fantastic recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy cooking. Enjoying yourself.